tell you with soundbars, I never know which is the best bit to open first. I suppose if I open that and take the subwoofer out first. Yeah, free Blu-ray, Incredibles 2. 4K Blu-ray.
Aim it down a bit, yeah.
You see that? You get that with it for free.
Oh right, but that's so.
Yeah, that'd be a good demo because it'd be colourful. Put that there. Subwoofer. That's a heavy subwoofer. Is that alright? So, lovely accessories pack. Let's have a look. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. It's branded Samsung Harmon Kardon now.
Yeah, I see that.
So that's cool.
Marketing.
So with that, you'd think they've engineered it a bit better for better sound, but we'll soon see. Bass part. Jesus. It's like going back to the 90s, isn't it, with that?
Yes.
Like a car subwoofer. Right. Let's have a look. I think LG used to be Harmon Kardon, didn't it?
Yes.
Yeah.
That's 4,000.
Yeah. That's a way to get your rivals. Just to get them even, straightness wise. I couldn't get them square because there's bits, bunches of cable. It looks a bit like an N650 from last year, this one. Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
Acoustic Beam.
Yeah.
So I guess that's similar to the N650. It quotes adaptive sound as well. 3.1.2 channel. ARC. Is that HDMI in? Is it focused?
Yeah.
Not good. That's just mains input, isn't it? Service and network. So it doesn't have hardwired anymore. Did the other one have hardwired? Network. The network ports. Because when they were doing the multi-room soundbar, they had a network port, didn't they? Wall mount bracket. Have a quick look. Get it right. That bit's going to be on the wall, isn't it? And it hooks on. That bit's going to be under the bar. So it's attached to the wall like that. Soundbar resting on it. And I'll put that back in. You have the those black spaces will fit in there and locate. Power pack. Should be a UK mains, I hope. That's for the soundbar. I'll just pop it in. Figure 8 mains for the subwoofer. Look at the remote. branded Harmon Kardon there as well, and volume up and down, mute, woofer. So HDMI ARC, that's going. It is going to my One Connect box on my Samsung Q9, which is above. The mains in. Fingers crossed if it works how it should. That should be the only two. Say, where do the cables? Yeah, it's because I did it to show the cables going in. There we go. Right.
I thought he'd gone.
There's some bagheads out there. Just checking. I'm going to put the subwoofer down here. Here. Figure 8 mains. So I should just retrieve the figure 8 mains lead. That's got EARC on it.
There you go.
EARC, that's what P to water. I'm going to do a quick test here on Freeview first. So this is just on the news channel. It's probably some grim news, but it'll give us an idea of what your normal audio will be like. That's a Samsung Q9 FN from 2018 above. But obviously all the sound's coming through the soundbar. So I'll just turn it up.
Prison. The only exception is if the mother's health is at risk. It's the latest in a string of conservative legal challenges to Roe versus Wade, the 1973 Supreme Court ruling that made abortion legal in America. Aline McBool has sent us this report from Alabama.
My body, my choice, my body.
It was a last-ditch attempt to stop the passing of the most restrictive abortion law anywhere in the US.
So the discussion, the question for me, for us, is when is a person a person?
Alabama Republicans argued that abortion should be banned at all stages of pregnancy.
I'm just going to turn that down. I'm going to do a quick test on the retail demo next, just so we get a mix of music and so on as well. Well, I don't know how that came out, but I'm using a Rode VideoMic Pro, so it should be fairly good. For giving an idea, it does sound nice and bassy. So next thing, I'm just going to zoom in on the soundbar so we can have a look at the sound modes, if it focuses. Surround mode. Game mode. Adaptive. So adaptive should look at the content it's receiving and adapt the sound output accordingly, but I'll shut up. and that's standard mode. Back to surround. So maybe adaptive's a good one to choose as well. Just because it should be looking at the content you're using, whether it's news or movies or music, and adjusting the sound accordingly. You can manually adjust it, so you can go to your levels there. Let's get a bit of sound. I'll just go to the levels. So treble and bass. Or you've got your separate subwoofer, minus or plus. But I'm just going to leave it for 0. But nice, clear, good all-round soundbar, decent sound. That is it.